Guys, I'm back from the market. Let's do some unboxing so I can show you guys how much I got all these items. These peppers, I got this for 500 naira. These are Scotch bonnet peppers, but then I got some bell peppers. This bell pepper like this is 300 naira each. That's for the green ones. I bought 2 green ones, so 300 naira each. And then this yellow one is 500 naira. The red one, I wanted to buy the 3 colors, okay, the red, the yellow, and the green, but the red one they say is 1.5. I was like, on top what? Bell peppers. I was like, I'll just use atarodo and do, because I want to make beef sauce tomorrow. That's why I bought these vegetables, okay. So I bought only 2 green ones and 1 yellow one. I bought 1 garlic. I prefer this type of garlic as opposed to the other type, those tiny Nigerian ones. These ones, they call it foreign one, so I don't know. I just prefer peeling this type because it's way easier. And then I bought a ginger. The price of this ginger shocked me. Just this one ginger like this, 500 naira. Ha! When the man told me the price, I was shook. But I was like, it's a post time now. The Christmas is the corner. So, and then I bought some carrots. Like I said, I want to make I want to make sauce, beef sauce tomorrow. So I bought some carrots. I'm struggling with it. I don't know how this one packaged it. So these 4 carrots, I bought them for 1,000. This size is 4 pieces, 1,000 naira each. And then the smaller size, and then this small size, Jesus. And then this small size, 4 pieces, 500 naira. So I bought some of the 1,000 naira own and some of these small ones, because the reason why I bought it like this, before tomorrow now that I'll need these carrots, some people in this house would have chopped the carrots. So that's why anytime I buy carrots, I always buy more than I need for the cooking, because I know my people, we love carrots in this house. So I got this fish for 1,500. The final one is beef for the beef sauce. Can you believe that this small? I bought this beef for 5,000 naira. Like, they go down to 5,000. Ojo there, fella. So that's all for the market haul. You guys, I'm done creating content for the day. Your girl is tired, but I was able to get as much content. Like, I have a list of the content I wanted to create today, and I was able to do, I think it's just remaining 1 or 2 videos I'm supposed to film from my list of videos that I wanted to film today. But I'm tired, I'm feeling dizzy. I was like, you know what, let's leave it for another day, because, and yeah, I know I'm not supposed to use baby wipes to clean my makeup, but I prefer using baby wipes to clean it. Then I wash my face with face wash and do my skincare, okay?